First, we apply the degreaser to break down the grime. The solution foams up to lift the grease. Now we rinse it off with high-pressure water. This leaves the surface ready for painting. Unloading complete, starting thickness check. Thickness confirmed at 2 millimeters. Structural integrity looks good. Quality scanners measure dimensional accuracy of floor panels for the Toyota Hilux pickup truck. Advanced sensors ensure every panel meets Toyota's exacting standards. This precision is key to the Hilux's legendary durability. The Toyota Hilux features a reinforced underbody structure. Cross members are integrated between the frame rails. This design enhances torsional rigidity and durability, built for demanding off-road and heavy-duty use. First, we apply the degreaser to break down the grime. The solution foams up to lift the grease. Now we rinse it off with high-pressure water. This leaves the surface ready for painting. The Toyota Hilux features a clear coat finish for enhanced durability. Without it, the surface is vulnerable to scratches. The clear coat provides superior protection, maintaining the finish. Built to last, the Toyota Hilux. Initiating frame alignment. Jigs engaging now. Crossmember locked, checking tolerances. Final bolts secured. Frame is complete. All right, lift it steady, guide it to the bracket. Got it, lining it up now. Insert the bolt, I'll tighten it. Bolts in, ready, good. Now for the U-bolts. Inserting the pistons now. Torque is set to spec. Cylinder head is aligned. Inserting the pistons now. Torque is set to spec. Cylinder head is aligned.
The transmission is prepped. Let's integrate it.
Yes, sir. All seals are checked.
Careful with the alignment. Bring it forward. Good. Lower it in.
The drivetrain components are secured beneath the Toyota Hilux pickup truck chassis. Here is the front differential, bolted firmly to the chassis. The drive shaft runs centrally to the rear, and the rear differential is mounted securely.
The transmission is prepped. Let's integrate it.
Yes, sir. All seals are checked.
Careful with the alignment. Bring it forward. Good. Lower it in. All done.
All right, let's get this dashboard assembly installed. Securing the brackets now. Dashboard assembly is installed. First, we'll route the main harness along the dashboard. Secure it firmly in these clips to prevent rattles. Next, guide it through the door panel channel. Finally, tuck the excess under the seat. The steering column is aligned and locked into place. With the column secured, the steering wheel is tested for smooth operation. Steering column integration is completed. Align the seat frames with the mounting points on the truck floor. Use the power drill to drive the bolts into place. Finish by tightening the nuts securely with a hand tool. The seat frames are now bolted in securely. We'll start the infotainment calibration now. Accessing the settings menu, running audio calibration. Calibration is complete. The system is now optimized. The side mirrors are attached to the Toyota Hilux. Use a screwdriver to tighten the mounting screws securely. Finally, test the mirror for a stable fit. Aligning the left headlight now, securing it firmly, and now the right side. Both headlights are aligned and secured. All right, lifting the new bumper into position now, inserting the first bolt and tightening it down. Securing all the bolts now to finish the install, and that's secure. Airbag modules are integrated into the Toyota Hilux pickup truck safety system. In a collision, they deploy instantly to protect occupants. This advanced system ensures maximum safety.
Front suspension looks solid, no leaks. Exhaust joint is secure. Differential and chassis are clear.
Connecting to the Toyota Hilux systems now. Upload initiated. Progress at 40%. Software is fully uploaded. Systems are integrating. Upload complete. The Toyota Hilux is now updated. Alignment calibration ensures correct wheel geometry of the Toyota Hilux pickup truck. First, we attach the sensors and clamps. Then, we adjust the tie rod to set the toe angle. The spray-on bedliner is now fully applied to the Toyota Hilux cargo area. The final step is to smooth and inspect the coating. This provides a durable, protective finish. Installation complete. We'll use torque verification tools to confirm the bolt specs on this Hilux. Attaching the tool to the lug nut, we're aiming for 110 Newton meters. Now, the angle gauge for the final spec.
Connecting to the Toyota Hilux systems now. Upload initiated. Progress at 40%. Software is fully uploaded. Systems are integrating. Upload complete. The Toyota Hilux is now updated.
First, attach the hose to the bleeder valve. Now, open the valve slowly. Watch the fluid flow and bubbles escape. This removes air from the system. Close the valve. Carefully lift the battery into the tray. Align it and press down firmly. Now, tighten the positive terminal, and then the negative. Finally, check the cables. Initiating engine startup.
Engine started successfully. All systems check out.
Mounting the new tire for the Toyota Hilux. Now, seating the bead. Balancing the wheel now. Ready for the truck. First, motor oil is added to the engine. The oil is poured steadily into the filler neck. Next, engine coolant is filled into the radiator. The fluids ensure proper lubrication and cooling.
Starting with the dashboard trim, fit and finish look excellent. Door panels next, material alignment is precise. Seats are the final check. Overall, this interior trim passes inspection.
The Toyota Hilux undergoes a rigorous water spray test to evaluate its sealing performance. High-pressure water jets target the doors and windows. No leaks are detected, confirming the vehicle's superior water resistance.
Starting the visual inspection on the Toyota Hilux. Using the light to check for any surface flaws. Gloss measurement confirms a flawless finish. This Hilux is ready.
Let's test the power window buttons. Next, the HVAC controls. Now, the steering wheel audio controls. Finally, the headlight switch.
Verifying panel gap on the cab seam. This blade fits perfectly, within tolerance. Measurement confirmed, moving to the next one. We're calibrating the headlight beam alignment on this Toyota Hilux. Using the adjustment tool, we turn the screw clockwise. The beam is now perfectly aligned.
Initializing engine diagnostics on the Toyota Hilux. Connecting to the OBD2 port for real-time data. Analysis complete, no anomalies detected in the electronic systems. Rechecking the airbag system diagnostics in the Toyota Hilux. The module connections are secure. Connecting the scan tool. The system reports no faults.
Okay, rechecking the airbag diagnostics now. Connecting the scan tool to the port. Code B10000, no fault detected. System is clear. All good, airbag system is functioning properly.
The final approval for the Toyota Hilux is now issued. This stamp confirms the Hilux meets all standards. The Hilux is now cleared for production. All right, let's verify this VIN. Document shows JT4RN01065007. Database matches, status updated to verified. All set.
Starting the test. Noise is at 65 dB. Accelerating now. Watch the vibration levels. Levels are rising, but still within spec. Data is logged. Test complete.
Final approval for the Toyota Hilux pickup truck. The stamp is issued. Compliance is confirmed. The Toyota Hilux undergoes rigorous emissions testing. Sensors analyze the exhaust for regulatory compliance. The Toyota Hilux meets all standards, confirming its low environmental impact. The production journey concludes as the Toyota Hilux pickup truck is loaded for shipment, completing the full factory production tour.